Hi and welcome to this introduction video. Today we did a model of the coupled Eulerian-Lagrangian explosion. This is the schematic of the work. We have the bomb here, or the TNT. Then we have circular concrete tunnel reinforced with steel liner. Here you can see these are the steels. Around that we have rock or a stone, or you can define different shape of the stone, but here we use circular. Then we have soil around that and Eulerian domain over all these parts here. Okay, for the TNT we use Jones-Wilkins-Lee equation of a state. For the rock, Johnson-Holmquist or JH2. For concrete damage plasticity. For steel reinforcement we used plastic model plus damage, and for the soil Moore-Coulomb model. Here in the first case, you can see here the damage and the element failure in the concrete tunnel. See, all the elements at the middle are failed, and you also plus that the steel reinforcement, the liner in the model here, and this is the compression damage. Then for the stone around the concrete, you can see here full failure happen, and this is the yield criterion for that. Steel reinforcement, and here this is the volume fraction of the TNT. The TNT expanded in all the tunnel. You can see inside the tunnel, and then move out of tunnel to the stone layer and soil layer here. And you can see this is the TNT expansion here, the pressure, and then here we have the stress in the soil here, the stress in the soil. And at the end, this is another view. You can see the TNT propagation wave in the tunnel here. The tunnel failed, the rock failed, and it moved toward to the soil. Okay, if you need this tutorial, come to our website abacusfm.com, find the English tutorial, or search here or here to find the English tutorial here. All the tutorials are in English. Click on the title, then you will have this title, introduction, assembly, then the definition of the couple Eulerian-Lagrangian model, some of the results here, the numerical method, the material model, results again, and then the objective of the example you can see. So the project file includes the CAE INP code, a step-by-step English video, and the price is 32 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or all the cryptocurrencies for the payment. Before payment, contact us through this email here, abacusfm.com@gmail.com. There we will answer all your questions. For now, thank you for your attention.